we're gonna be talking about something interesting. So you know, guys, Buildable is a very popular game in Roblox. But guys, Buildable did update today, but Buildable didn't update that much because, like, look, guys, look, the logo didn't even change when July 4th. There should be there should be like fireworks in the background. I don't know what's going on with you know, Buildable. And here doesn't even have the fireworks I was talking about in June 25. I don't know what's going on with Buildable, and there's no new quest, no new stage, no new code. I don't know what's going on, guys. This is kind of sus. Or even like a July box. I don't know. In winter they had that. I mean, like I don't know, guys. Something is sus about Buildable. And yeah, things are just normal. And look, it said it updated today. I don't know. And even the plushie room, it isn't even like updated, bruh. Fusion said that it was gonna update, but I don't know. And even Chill Through said it. I mean, I don't know what's going on with Buildable. Buildable is kind of sus, you know. I don't know what's going on. You know. Kind of sus, maybe it's kind of broken or whatever. I don't know. I don't know what's going on, bro. First, I thought like that. I say to my friend that I won't. Now it's the time, and when I go here, there's nothing. So yeah, that's pretty much it of the story. This is kind of intruspitating. I don't know what to say, but you know, yeah, kind of untrustworthy. I don't trust Buildable now. Well, maybe Fusion can make a video of it. I don't know. Maybe we'll update in July 5th. I don't know. Pretty sus, you know. Yeah. Pretty sus, you know. Yeah. Let me show you the plushie room, and I want like Buildable to have like a teleport. So whenever I get the plushie or whatever, I can just teleport there. That might be cheating though. I don't know. Maybe Shifter can add that. I don't know. Yeah, guys. I will. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, that was. And look, guys, the plush room didn't even change. There's nothing changed, and even nothing changed, guys. You can't even push these. I mean, what is wrong with Chill Thrill, guys? Comment down below if you know what is going on, guys. I don't know what's going on, guys. Comment down below.